Understanding cross-contamination at home.
Cross-contamination occurs when gluten or allergens are unintentionally transferred from one food or surface to another. Even small amounts can cause reactions in sensitive individuals. Learning how cross-contamination happens is the first step towards keeping your kitchen and meals safe for everyone.
Mixing cooking utensils and appliances.
A common mistake is using the same toasters, cutting boards, or knives for both gluten-containing and gluten-free foods. Crumbs and residue can linger on these surfaces. Designate separate utensils and appliances for allergen-free cooking or wash them thoroughly every time.
Improper food storage.
Storing allergen-free foods next to items containing gluten can cause accidental contamination. Gluten particles can transfer through shared containers or from spilled flour. Keep gluten-free products and ingredients in clearly labeled, sealed containers and store them on higher shelves away from potential spills.
Double dipping in shared condiments.
Using the same spoon or knife in both gluten-free and regular spreads, jams, or butters is a frequent source of contamination. Crumbs enter shared jars easily. Avoid double dipping or keep separate condiments labeled for allergen-free use only.
Neglecting hand and surface hygiene.
Not washing hands or cleaning surfaces between preparing different foods can transfer allergens. Regularly wash hands with soap and water and wipe down counters before and after meal prep. Pay special attention to tricky spots like sink handles and drawer pulls.
Dining and entertaining safely.
When hosting or dining with family, well-meaning guests may accidentally use the wrong serving spoons or plates. Remind everyone about cross-contamination risks and provide separate serving utensils and dishes for allergen-free options. Clear communication and preparation make sharing meals both safe and enjoyable.